Ladies and gents, welcome back. Well, check this out. Our next generation model, Gemini 1.5. Wait, why am I doing this? We've talked about this. And guess what's happening? Yeah, the controversial stuff, right? Google's Gemini AI faces backlash for inaccurate depiction of historical figures. Wow, I'm getting this from Grok AI. And Grok is supposed to love Google Gemini, also supposed to love OpenAI, I guess. In a surprising turn of events, Google has issued an apology after its latest AI chatbot Gemini generated images of historical figures that were racially inaccurate. The controversy arose when Gemini depicted white historical figures such as the US founding fathers as people of color. Yeah, according to Gemini, white people don't exist. So everyone's freaking out. What if AGI finds out that white people don't exist? What happens? Anyways, ladies and gents, it's not about Gemini. Matter of fact, 2 weeks ago, I literally did this video. Google Gemini and Gemini Advanced, my brutal point of view. I said it was overrated. Nobody believed me. 55 views. However, on the other side, you have channels, hey, no hate, who channels like this comes and shocks people every single day. No, I kid you not. Look at this. Stuns the entire industry. Shock the entire industry. Shock the entire industry. Again, shocks the entire industry. Man, people love getting shocked by this guy for some reason. But when I try to shock people, the industry, for example, yeah, only 42 people got shocked, unfortunately. Anyways, I like to see, and stuff like this and talk about it, just so you know how things work out there. And this is exactly what it is. I could use ChatGPT to summarize this entire video, use my clone voice, and split these videos and images into different pieces because, yeah, fair use, and create another version of this and maybe get half of this view, 50,000. I could do that, right? But would I do that? Nah, not really. I don't think so. It's not something that I would go long term. But yeah, long term on this channel, I can see myself creating videos maybe 60 years. Depends if AI is still there, because I don't want AGI to take over, right? So anyways, I just wanted to give you some context. And if you're interested in practical experimenting with AI and automations, real case studies, stuff that I do and I talk about, then this is your channel. And news, I'll do once a week. But yes, this is what happens. 35 views 3 days ago. Yep. Versus shocking the entire industry, ladies and gents, which is practically just other people's fair usage of, videos. Anyways, today's topic, Opus clip. Let's talk about Opus clip real quick. And I'll tell you why I decided to do this today is because they introduced the version 3.0, I believe yesterday. Let me see. Oh, I can't even get on the first page, unfortunately. But basically, when you log in, I'm going to show you one example today, right? And interestingly, you see here, I have a lot of product videos. If you look, I literally uploaded them. Yes, I'll talk about them some other time. These are product reviews. I plan on using them on TikTok, testing them on TikTok. This is one of the best time. This Opus Pro came up with this update, right? And what is that? Well, I'm going to show you this just in a second. But just to recap a little bit, I've been using this for quite some time. All right, I'm on a pro plan. You can see I've been using it early bird, I would say, early bird. When they just launched before the public, I got in this, just like Flicky and few other software. And hence I'm able to talk about this. This is just one of the very few ones that I use it on a daily basis. I literally had 45 whatever hours. Yeah, I'm just trying and experimenting. Maybe not on this channel. Well, not on this channel. I actually did it prior to this once, deleted them, but I've done it on other channels. So if you look here, now you can actually drop any links here, video, or you can choose a file, all right? And then this is what it does. Video podcasts, educational videos, and much more right now. And I would avoid all of these, gaming videos, music videos, and vlog, right? So stick to just basic, especially any stuff that we do, AI videos, product reviews, and all that. So I'm going to take an example, right? Let's take this one. 7 minutes. And interestingly, they now allow you to convert, well, I wouldn't say convert, add subtitles on long videos, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes long videos. All of these never existed at one point. All right, they're updating and introducing new features. So I'm just going to take this, copy link address. I will simply, and this is just for testing right now. All right, paste it. You see here, and now they'll ask me a few questions. Check this out. Credit usage approximately 8 minutes. You have all these captions here, right? I could literally translate if I wanted. So if it was in a different language, I could translate to English. Right now, that's what it is. It's not vice versa. But if you look, there's most of the popular languages right here. So I just leave it auto most of the time. And then you have templates and captions, right? Look at this. So just pick one, whichever suits you. And another thing to note, let's say you did someone asked me in one of the previous videos, the comments, hey man, how do you add the subtitles, right? Guess what? Yeah, this is how you can do it. There are multiple other ways, but this is one of the easiest way. So two things, you can use this tool, Opus Pro, to repurpose a long content, like basically put them in bite size so you can use them on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, Reels, whatever. That's one thing, right? Second, you could just create long videos and you can just use it as subtitles, meaning just add the subtitles without repurposing. Make sense? Yeah, so if I just wanted to add subtitles to this video here, this long 7 minutes video, right? If I just wanted to add the subtitles instead of splitting into pieces or converting into shorts, you can see here, right? I can just say only add caption without clipping. And over here, it'll tell you whatever you want. Check this out. Currently, we do not support the addition of AI B-rolls to videos longer than 3 minutes. Yes, you can also add B-rolls, which is cool. And I like to do it in shorts usually. We are also continuously working on enhancing the framing of videos more than 3 minutes. So if I wanted, hey, I want you to add subtitles in this, right? So let's say I was saying something important in a 3 minutes mark or 2 minutes mark, whatever, and I wanted subtitles in that spot, right? I could specifically do this with this. I mean, that's another interesting thing. You don't have to add subtitles to the entire video. You could literally just add it on the specific spot, right? Which is cool. However, I'm gonna keep this off, right? This is what they introduced recently, genre of video, beta. I'm still trying to figure this out because if you look here, there's something called product reviews. Yeah, right here, look at this. So from my perspective, my point of view, if I had to choose, I can see myself using commentary, marketing, motivational, academic, listicles to some extent, how to, and product reviews, news as well. I mean, pretty much all of them, right? However, I'm gonna just keep it auto for this one, right? Another thing, you can literally say, I want only the segments that are talking about this specific topic. So out of the 7 minutes long video over here, right? If I just wanted to talk about, because I mentioned Opus clip, stable video, and several others. Let's say I only want stable video. So if I keep this as a topic, anything that talks about stable video in that 7 minute segment, they are only pulling the information from that particular stuff, right? You get the point? That is cool, right? This helps you, save some credit, basically. However, I barely use this. I like to keep it this way. And another thing to note, I keep it auto. Over here, straight up. Over here, usually, I do it 30 to 60 seconds. TikTok allows you longer than 60 seconds, but I personally keep it 30 to 60 seconds because anything below 60 seconds is what is considered as reels and shorts. You can use them on most of the platforms. Fascinating. Create one content long form, and now you can split it up in different, right? So, okay, this is what we have. And currently you can see Feb 18 version. This is recent, ladies and gents. Opus Clip 3.0. It came out 5 days ago. All right. And of course, they're working on it. Let's hope they come up with something extraordinary. So then I can basically get rid of other tools, right? Let's do this. Clips. It's going to take a few minutes, depending on, stuff. But it tells you what it's going to do. And check this out here. While we wait for this, all right? Let me show you a few things. How to find a clip you want using keyword. Okay, cool. Oh, whoa.
February
I don't want to click on any of these right now. Right? Learning Center. Okay. Tutorial, AIB role, filler word removal. These are some of the features. Create a team workspace. New. See that? That's new. Create multiple brand templates. How to find a history project that you accidentally deleted. Not bad. All right. It's taking, processing and analyzing 20%. So you see what it's doing. Estimated waiting time, 16 minutes. Wow. You can safely leave this page. It'll send you an email. And they actually do that. However, if I actually click on this, right, I'm back on the same page. Now, alternatively, if you want it, you could drag a video instead of just putting any zoom links. Let's say you did some training material and you want to create a trailer. You can use this to create a trailer. But ladies and gents, this is where the video is, and it's telling you right here. It's saying it's going to take approximately 16 minutes, right? If I click on it, it's still working. So while we wait, let's come back in just a few seconds. All right, we are very close. Processing and analyzing 97%. This takes time depending on the length of the video, and it does pretty decent job. And once it's done, basically you can leave the page. You can safely leave this page and we'll send an email. So while this is on, you could just literally focus on something else. And once it's done, literally all you have to do is download them and put them all in one folder and literally segment them and schedule and upload like blasted, syndicate on different social media platform. Well, depending on your use case, right? Other than that, yep, let's actually see if you're almost there. Approximately 1 minute, ladies and gents. And if there was a face, it would have been a lot better because this video is faceless. Let's see how this one does it. I'm really not sure because clearly I'm using mainly for product reviews and not faceless, the videos that has a face. But faceless videos should work as fine. I don't see a reason why it won't work. So yeah, just give it a second. There you go. There you go. All right, not so bad. If you look at it, right? And this is another thing. Recently, they introduced all this thing here. Look at this. Hook, flow, engagement, trend. Literally all A. And this is a 99 out of 100. It gives you a viral score. The likelihood that this video will go viral on short TikTok reels. That's cool, right? I don't know how accurate that is, but it's pretty cool. On top of that, you can regenerate the title if you want. You don't have to use the same title. If you remember, I use ChatGPT to convert one title to multiple, so I go that way as well. On top of that, before I dig into deeper all this thing, right? Let me show you first that one video, 7 minutes long. Guess what? Number 1, 2, look at this. Yes, I know. That's it, 12 videos. That's decent enough. Initially, it was giving me 4 or 5, then they increased to 6, 7, 8, 9, now maximum. If you have longer videos, you might get over 20, but that gets overwhelming, to be honest. Because I now, and by the way, all of them are not perfect. So I individually go into each of them. Sometimes there's some spelling mistakes or whatsoever, and that's nothing wrong with it. It's very accurate, 90% accurate, at least 80%, okay? And there are a lot of other tools out there. This is my favorite one so far. I'm glad I found it, seriously, all right? And if you decide to use it, I'll have the links in the description, and also I'll have the link in the resources. If you do, let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, I can help, just let me know, all right? So if you look here, Opus clip, blah, 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 blah. Okay, this is some of the description. Okay, so we have all these clips here. You see the thingy, 46 seconds. This is 48 seconds. Everything is below 60 seconds, 25 seconds, 40 seconds. By the way, you can actually extend them. If you want to include a lot more to like 50 seconds, you could do that. So for example, let me do this. How about unlocking efficiency? No, let's do Opus clip here. What about this? Unlock the full potential of Opus clip, review and demo. Check this out. I can literally use this one. Maybe I will do it sometimes later on this channel, okay, as a short. I like to do it on my other channel with thingy, but however, let's do it. Now, let's explore this. So if you like it, if you don't, they'll tell you why you don't like it. You can provide feedback, right? So over here, we have a few options. Interesting. Check this out. You can directly connect Facebook page, LinkedIn, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and yeah, TikTok feed. I don't use them. I like to do it the other way. You can also connect your YouTube Shorts directly, YouTube channel. So you can directly upload the videos from here to all the places. That's cool, right? That's one way you can do it. Now, this is export as XML. Captions will be exported as overlays. This one, yeah, I don't use it. This is for if you want to edit it on some other platform, right? Using a third-party tool, XML. This one, download. You're downloading the video in HD. Now this one, last but not the least, this is the important one, right? And most of the time will be spent here. Edit, ladies and gents, check this out. Yeah, this is cool. And you also have the help center here. If you're interested, check it out. However, if you look, this is the fun part, right? So if I play here, watch this a little bit. I've not covered Opus clip. I use it on a regular, see that? The subtitle, everything is on spot. And if you want to change anything, literally just edit here. So, okay, I don't like this thing, blah, blah, blah. You see this? And that's it. If you want to fix anything, you simply fix here. If you remember, I told you can extend here. So let's say I want to start from here, right? So I'm going to click here, set as start. So this is how it's going to start from here. And let's say I want to end it somewhere. Opus clips irregular, have it, paid content. Let's say I want to end it here. I will say this. You see? So this is one piece. Now, if I wanted to save and compile, it's going to just take this one and create the entire video, whatever that is. And that's it. Next, later, let's say I want to do it again. I could literally change this. I can again say, you know what? Let's start this as start. And on top of that, let me show you a few other things. You see, you can add an emoji, change colors, highlight a few things, and also remove some text. Fair enough? The easy thing, you can also highlight, which wasn't there previously. That's number one, captions. All right, let's go to the second part, design. Look at this one here. So we have generate B-rolls with stock and with AI. They didn't have this option before, ladies and gents, with AI. Now they do. So if you click on with AI, it tells you, oh wow, I have to join the waiting list. This is new. This is the exciting part, believe it or not. This feature is currently a lab version. Join the wait. Yep, I'm ready. I'm coming to this. So if you're interested, subscribe and I'll bring this to you, okay? I told you, hands-on experience. Auto emojis, all right. Look, auto emojis, caption, and over here you can change the caption, the style. Karaoke, beastie, whatever you want, all right? Over here, 3 lines, 1 line. You see the difference here? Let's keep it 1 line. How about that? Bounce, underline, box, caption, transition. Interesting, actually. I don't think this was around. Let's make it pop. How about box? You see this? The difference here? You'll see the difference right here. Okay? When I change this, you see, I'll keep it bounce for now. How about that? Then you have the color here. Over here we have caption position, auto, top. See how it's changing? Like this one is up top right now. Middle, bottom, top, auto. Let's keep it auto, right? Font, you can change the font. Upper alt text if you wanted that. Then you have all the, well, customization here. Font stroke, font shadow, etc, etc. And this is another one, screen overlay. For best results, use high res, upload an image. This is for the logo and if you want to use anything extra, right? So that's what we have, design side. Initially, when I started, there was only 1 or 2 here. This was barely anything. We didn't have B-rolls or any of that. Now we have multiple things. So this is the layout here. Check this out. So landscape, we also only had portrait previously. Now you can change it. But I'm not going to do this right now. So because I'm creating shorts. But this is not only for shorts. You can literally now add a 15 minutes long podcast video and add subtitles to it. Yeah, see, square. So they have all these things here. And then of course, this is an interesting thing which I want to show you right now. The layout style. So this is the layout, right? Clear, straightforward, landscape and this. Screen share beta. Check this out here. So over here, these 2 things. Layout prefers auto fill. This is what I'm going to show you here, all right? So split, you can split wherever you want. You can move around. Check this out. You can move this around. So let's say I'll play this and then we have Gemini. No, that's not right. And I want to split it here. Right? And let's say I want to make it bigger. Look. So if we go here, play. No, that's not my topic either today. Do you see that? The transition. No, that's not my topic either. This is like an interesting, all built-in editing tool to some extent. Like so far so good. Then you can also zoom in a way. But here, let me show you this. This one, layout. Check this out. Fill, screen share. When you do screen share, now I'm splitting them into 2. You see how awesome that is? So top part would be some face. Let's say someone's talking. All right. If you have 2 people talking, one would be on top, the second would be bottom. You see how I'm doing this? So over here, if I wanted, I could put something else. And over here, something else. Let's just say, right? One of the reasons WorldCoin, you see that? Is sitting at $8. That's pretty cool. That's insane. You have, improvise, and once you get used to it, play, trial, error, and that's how it works, right? Second, then we have Gemini. No, that's not my topic either today. And then once it comes to this part, Gemini, check it out. I'll cover this some other day. And today's topic is introducing Opus. You can do multiple things. You can move this around and once you're done, once you're sure, okay, this is how I want it. If you had a face, you see this, this is turn on and off moving speaker tracking. So this would actually move while the speaker is walking around. So if you had a speaker who's walking around, this would be tracking the speaker. Fascinating. This is the fascinating part of AI, ladies and gents. If there was no AI involved, there would be a lot of hardcore work involved in this. I mean, you have to go through a lot of loops and hoops. Anyways, I really hope you found this useful. I wanted to give you everything. So once you're done with this, let's say you're happy with whatever, blah, 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 right? Now, all you have to do is like click save and compile. And this is going to start doing this. See, it's going to take its time. It takes 15 minutes, but it doesn't take that long. And while this is going on, then what we do, we go on the next one. Same thing. Look at this one. Sora is taking the industry by storm. It's shocking everybody. I'm actually going to do this from next time. I'm actually, I don't know. I have ways that I can do shorts totally different. There are two things. Creating shorts, totally brand new. Creating shorts, which are trailers from the long form. You see, these are trailers. These are like from the long forms. So I don't know if I should do this or not. I mean, there's another way. There are a lot of things we could do, okay? So ladies and gents, again, I hope you found this useful. This is Opus clip. I like to keep it real as much as possible. Get my hands dirty so we can all learn together, right? And you can see clearly, I practice and preach. I practice a lot more than preaching. That's what it is. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in more of the AI stuff, a little bit of AI news, but more practical AI, I invite you to join in and sign up for the free AI newsletter. I haven't sent nothing else yet. If anything, especially when I release a new video, I send, not always, but once a week or maybe once a month, I send out an announcement. Hey, these are the new videos you might have missed. That's what I've been doing so far. Unless I have something worth sending that you'll find valuable, so you don't unsubscribe from my list, yeah, I won't be sending anything, okay? So subscribe. That's the main newsletter. And also subscribe to this channel. And there's this place where you can find all the tools that I use. You see, Opus Clip. One stream is for my thingy, live streaming once in a while. But these are the Flicky. We talked about Flicky. I haven't talked about Wave Video. That's one for my broadcasting tool. And InVideo is one of the most people are talking about it. I think it's high overrated to some extent. But if I really had to pick from all of these, Opus Clip right now, Flicky, I literally use it to power one of my channels. And vidIQ, I have it on this channel, TubeBuddy to some extent. Other than that, yeah, we'll discuss all these things down the road. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is Opus Clip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.